So this is the cheesecake recipe. I have strawberries. This would go on top of the cheesecake, and then Philadelphia cheese, double cream, biscuits, strawberry jam, vanilla extract, squirty ice cream sauce thing, but I usually use a strawberry one, but it was then left. A block of butter and white chocolate and meringue nests, and you need sugar as well. So these are things that you need for the cheesecake recipe. So I put 225 grams of digestive biscuits in a bowl, and I'm just breaking it roughly with a rolling stick, yes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt the butter into it, but let me show you guys when this is done. This is beaten roughly. It doesn't need to be completely smooth. This is fine consistency to have. Now I'm going to add the butter to it. Okay, so I'm putting in the butter now. This is 150 grams of butter in this. Next, what I'm going to do is get the squirty sauce. What this does, it makes it stick, bind together well. So that's what I'll do now. And then mix this through.
Just spread this into a cake tin or whatever it is, a dish that you could make the cheesecake. You could press it through and make the cheesecake in there. Okay, so this is completely pressed in. Now I'm going to just put my jam in this. I'll just spread it evenly through and see how many tablespoons that I would need to put in. I'm going to try 4 tablespoons, and like I said, I'm just winging it right now, so I'm going to see.
Okay, so I end up using 6 tablespoons and then spreading it evenly across it. So I'm melting and then letting cool half of the white chocolate, and I'm putting it in the microwave right now. And then I'm going to combine the cream cheese, sugar and vanilla extract in a bowl, and then I'll beat it with, I'll basically blitz it completely until it's completely smooth. And then what you do is you whip the double cream and then pour it and fold it into the cream cheese mixture. So that's what I'm doing next. Oh, by the way, you need to use 120 grams of sugar, 600 grams of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and yeah, that's what I'm doing at this point. So in the microwave, the white chocolate melted quite nicely. I'm just going to put this in this bowl with 300 grams of cream cheese and 60 grams of sugar and 1. Now what I'm going to do is blitz the double cream and whip it up basically. Okay, the consistency should basically be like this. Don't let it get too airy, thick enough to basically fold this mixture in. Don't beat the mixture in, just fold it in. And now what I'm going to do is just transfer it and place it, nicely place it on top of this, spread it evenly. I drizzled it a little bit of this, and what I did was I just spread it over evenly like this, so it has like a little glaze type of effect. I place the strawberries inside, and now I'm just going to break these up like a little bit messily and just put them around the area. Wait, hold on, wait. And final step, put it in the white chocolate. So now this is completely done. Now leave it in the fridge for about 3 to 6 hours before you serve it, so it can completely firm up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this, and then you can see the beautiful cheesecake within it. And that's my cheesecake done, guys. Thank you, Saima, so much for the recipe, by the way. Okay, so I've taken the side off, and you guys, it's done. Let me show you. Look at those layers. They look beautiful. This is the cheesecake done. Woo!